Okay. Right, so I hope I'm streaming now. I'm sorry, this is the second try. I had some connection errors maybe on the previous one. This is hopefully healthy now, and I'm coming through clearly. I changed my streaming settings to low let. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's too much technical stuff right now. So I hope this is more clear then, and I'm coming through. So let's see. We started now. Okay. Okay. So yesterday I started with $34 approximately, and finished the day with $4.02. That percent for the day. Um, I did some trading sessions with you guys yesterday and showed how I made 7%, and hope that helps you get familiar with my trading style. Today I start with $37.68, and currently have a profit of $2.28, which is already 6% for the day. Obviously, this is a very small account, so everybody that is a newbie is perfect for my YouTube, because I'm focused more on those who just getting started with trading, or there's $200 or $300 available. I know there was a guy yesterday that commented on my live stream replay, that he prefers to do the crypto trading, which is also fine. I'm doing the forex trading most of the time. I don't like crypto trading. It's much easier for me personally to do the trading on the forex. If you do the trading on crypto, everything that I show also works on the crypto market. It's up to you, obviously, if you want to do the crypto or if you want to do the forex. But with the forex, personally, I find that much more reliable. Get started with forex than with crypto, in my opinion. But I really appreciate the feedback, and also congratulations that you do $15,000 within a week. This is not my audience. You are welcome, obviously, also in doing the trading for those that have just a couple of $100 available, and just getting started. So I'm not too much into those traders that have, $5,000 accounts, 10,000. It is nice to have, and definitely interesting to make such money, but I want to show the regular people that this is available, and during these times that trading is actually something that can help you out when you have something like inflation. The economy is really scary at the moment, so I want to have something available where I can just take some money and make some money, and do that as a full-time job, long term. So my coaching business started a couple of months ago, and my community started to join my premium Discord for $97 for the year in December last year. But we are just getting started in May, and I reopened for the month due to some personal challenges. I already talked about that in previous live trading sessions. So I just want to invite you to join the Discord, connect with me if you find what you see interesting. Let me go to the platform directly. There might be some connection trouble with my internet. I really apologize if the streaming is not smooth today, but the recording should be fine. So yeah, let's go to the live trading platform. Okay, stream is healthy. I mean, there should be no issues this time. Current viewers. Okay. Let me know in the chat box if you are here. Can you hear me clearly? Are you sure you want to leave YouTube now? Oh, come on. What's this about? Live trading. Okay. I don't want this. Right, so I hope I'm streaming now. I'm sorry, this is... What the hell? Okay, let me just close that window. Much better, but there are still gaps. Okay. Okay, but you are here, that is good, so I will not mess around too much. I really apologize if there is a hiccup, but the recording should be fine. So yeah, let's see. There, okay. I don't know how you update that in real time, but on my phone, let me close YouTube. And go to the stream again, watching. Now it says excellent. Okay. All right. So now I go to the platform. Okay. Okay, let me take that off. Let me see. When I close this and reopen the window, does it come up? Yes. Okay, so there should be a pop-up showing up here. Okay, good. So no matter where I put this, it's not moving because I put that there. Okay, so what I will do is I have a sell, I have a buy. That's how I take profits. I have 2 orders on the MT4 platform. And what I do is I click one of these trades, double click on that on the desktop, and this is the pop-up that comes up. And then you have the type, and I have a drop-down menu. Let's see, when I open the drop-down menu, does it show? Is it another window? Come on, it doesn't show the thing there. Okay, okay, hold on. This is, OBS is yeah, challenging right now. So let me do another source window capture. Drop down. Let me see if that works. Multi-adapter compatibility, I don't know what that is. Okay, let's not there. Okay, but there's a drop-down menu. If you're on the MT4, you can choose multiple close by. So I'll choose that now, and you see the type has changed from modify order to multiple close by. So that is the option that I take, and you see there are 2 positions there that match together, sell 001 and buy 001. Okay, and the two prices, and as I said, this should be 19 cent minus 2 cents, so that should be like 17 cent in profit. I close that now, and now my balance is $40.13. So if I go to the account history, you will see those 19 cents, and the commission I paid is 2 cents, so that was a profit of 17 cents. It's not that much, but let's go for the spreadsheet again and update the numbers. So now I have cent. I have 6% there, but the new profit is $2.45. That is like 6.5% profit for the day. And the new balance is $40.13. If I go to the platform, you will see that number right there. So now I'm fresh. I am flat, which means I have no open positions, and I can just start from scratch. So let me break down those charts. I have a 4-hour chart to see what is the bias, which is a red candle at the moment. It was green for the last 8 hours, so right now we probably have a retracement going on. The 1-hour time frame is pretty flat, so we have a sideways movement. The current hour is to the downside. So as I said, I am a scalper, which means that I am going in and out quickly, and I'm not trading from the 1-hour or 4-hour. I only take that as my bias to see which is the direction. But I am zooming in on the 15-minute time frame, for example. I can see we are still in some sort of consolidation phase, which is like it went up for a while and then it stays in a range inside. Because as I said, I'm a scalper, I'm just taking trades quickly. So right now I want to buy a little bit more, and I'm going for 870 there. Let's see if we get there. Okay, so there is some delays with the internet for sure. So I hope you're still with me. I don't know if you are. But definitely need to restart my internet connection probably. Okay, so now the price is going down. I buy one more here. Okay, so definitely need to improve on my internet connection. So now I have like 3 positions to the upside, just the dollar cost average right now. And I just need to be also careful, because as I said, the bias might be down based on the 4-hour time frame. The 1-hour is down, so buying was something I Okay, this is a 5 minute, so you see the last 10 minutes was to the upside, and now we have a retracement, and maybe we get another bounce from there. So I buy one last time. And because I have a small account, I don't want to over leverage too much. Because I don't like this move to the downside, to be honest. But I wanted to quickly take some trades. Okay, so this is the last trade I do on to the buy side. I have 5 micro lots to the buy side, and I'm down $2.40 on a small account. You know, it is a lot of percentages, so I need to be careful with all of that. And I had that before, that this is going to the other side, and I was buying too quickly, so now I need to watch it and think what I do, because I'm more like focused on that the stream is nice and all of that, and I am not really paying attention too much on the trading, which is not good. So you have to be focused when you do the trading. But I just wanted to give you an update what happened yesterday and what is happening today. So my goal is a balance of $50. If I get 45 until tonight is also good. Right now the equity is a little bit down, so I manage my current positions before I close everything, and hopefully in profit. So just making sure everything is good. And I want to buy one last there. 6, 8, 10. Okay, so mainly what I'm doing is actually I'm trading in front of you, so you have an idea how I manage my trades quickly. I have not too much time to explain directly what I'm doing here on the YouTube. But what I do is I am doing the coaching and group coaching calls next week for my students, and break down what the strategy or how the strategy works and stuff like that. So right now I just want to show you how I manage my account, and if that is something you want to learn, you are invited to join the Discord to connect with me, and there is an offer for $97 for the year to get started with me on the coaching. Today I'm a little bit more excited because I also am super excited about 29 subscribers. I had 25 yesterday, and 4 new subscribers. So welcome, thank you so much for joining my channel. If you're brand new and you just see the recordings, Please subscribe to the channel and help me out. Right now, I have targeted. Come on, I have one sell right there, and I have one buy there. So I close that one out with the price 6786, and my God, I did not want to do this. This was bad. Damn, sorry, I made a mistake right now. That was not cool. I did not want to do that. Okay, I'm sorry for this. Okay. What I wanted to do, because this is another target, I wanted to actually choose close by and not multiple close by. So right now, I'm closing these two and this one. And the equity is back to $40.22. How much is... Okay, this is actually not that bad. And I am doing... Okay, I have 3 positions there, and when I get that, I will just take everything off and see if I am in the profits there. Because I made that mistake, clicked that wrong button and closed everything out. That is matched, and that was not a good idea. So let's see if I can get to that price at 6820. And close then everything out. And start fresh and see how is the overall balance. Because we have a balance here of $40.13 currently. So the balance right now is like $39.91 because I took some losses there, which I did not want to do. So let me buy one more here and go for 6820. Okay, and trading is a game for patience. So you cannot just expect something goes quickly when the market is moving like this. It can be going slowly as well, right? So you need to be patient and see that we take that opportunity whenever there is a pullback and another chance to a dollar cost average and make an improvement on the price. But again, all the strategy and all the details I have for my students on the Discord. Right now I'm just trying to show you the trading style, and if that is something you like, you are invited to join the Discord, connect with me, and then we have a talk if you want to ask questions about the program. there is an offer for $97 for the year, which is less than $10 a month to learn everything that I'm doing. And right now I'm almost there for 6,820. The price is 6,803. It was 6,810 before. So right now I need like 20 points. Okay, we are back to 6,810, which is 10 points. 13, 15, last point, and there you go. So now I am equally matched with everything. I have like 55 cents and the equity is now $40.46. So let me do what I've done before. I double click on a position, I take multiple close by, and everything is matched. So, is now corrected. I have $2.94 profit for the day. Let's move to the spreadsheet. $2.94. You see I had profit $2.45 before, so I improved my account. $2.94. So from 6.5% I have now 7.8% for the day. And we're just getting started here on the streaming, and just wanted to show you how everything is done. So let's go back to the platform, relax a little bit, breathe, and maybe I start a fresh recording to just to start fresh. I'm not sure. Maybe I just leave that on, and if you're watching the replay, I'm happy that you are still following me, because trading, you need to position, and I go for a quick scalp. If you Gunny, if you are still on the YouTube, let me know in Discord maybe. Are you still on the YouTube stream? I don't know. If you're busy or something. Okay, I did not catch that, so I do the same thing. I just sell again and go for this target. $6,805 as the price. So one entry is 6,824 and the other is 6,814, and my target is 6,805 to buy back with a better price. So as you can see, I have not too much of a longer target, because you see, if I have 100 trades with small pieces, I feel more comfortable with that than be in the market for too long. And now I'm flat again. I do double click on the position, multiple close by, and take everything off. And now the balance is $40.86. $3.18 profit for the day. If I go to the spreadsheet, you can see it was $2.94 before, now $3.18. $3.18, that is like 24 cents. 7.8% for the day is now 8.44% for the day. And you see the balance is now almost $41, and my target is either $45, $50 for the day. So every 10 days I might double up my account because of the 12% and 10% profit that I'm looking for. Going back to the platform. Today, but the recording should be fine. Okay, so I shared the spreadsheet now with my Discord and shared the 8.44% for the day. Okay, going back to the platform and looking for more trades. So the 5-minute is down, 15-minute is down, 1 hour is down. So I better look for sells, right? So I am going for 6, 7, 10. Right there. Yeah, you're back. That's great, Günther. No problem. Günther is one of my students already, and I really apologize for the delay. I'm just getting back into a rhythm and um, want to share that with new fresh subscribers hopefully in the future, right? So I have an affiliate program which I will share at a later stage as well. So my founding members like Günther, who invested in my coaching last year already since December 2022, and it's almost a year. We're just getting started to build that coaching business from scratch. So right now, with all the challenges, I'm happy to be back with full energy, and having you know subscribers on the YouTube on the live stream is also amazing, because I don't like to talk to myself, obviously. So I'm waiting for the next target to be hit. But that's like this is like yeah, this is work that I'm doing, all day on a mobile phone, and if you do that full time, you see it is a nice way to make money. Right now, the equity is $41 um, floating, which means I need to take off my trade. So I will do that right now. So this is another 20 cent minus 2 cent commission is 18 more cent in a couple of, yeah, I don't know, seconds, a minute, doesn't matter. Um, the profit is $3.36. The balance is $41.04. If I go to the spreadsheet, let me update that quickly. 336. So it's almost 9%. And let me just take my watch quickly. Give me just 1 second, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Apologize for this, but I needed to have a bathroom break. I hope this is not on camera. I really apologize. So now I'm fresh, everything good. Just sharing. Okay, so let's see if there's no more opportunities. Oh, I'm still on the spreadsheet. Let's go to the chart and 5 minutes. I'm still selling. There's still selling pressure right there. Okay. So it seems to be working pretty good today as well. As you can see now, we move from upside now to the downside, more strong. Okay. I need to drink something. Also need to be careful after such move to the downside. This could go straight up, you know, and that is normal. That you know, market makers are pushing price here and there into stops. That's why I'm not really doing stops too much, rather than have really small position size, and so that I can overcome these drawdowns. So right now I have 2 positions, and I adjusted the price to 6655, which is now taken. So right now I have another 50 cent or so. So I'm going from 41.04 to 41.64. So just took another profit, and I'm now, so that was 50 cent and 14 cent is 64 minus 4 cent in commission, so that was 60 cent. If I go for the spreadsheet, there should be $33.36. The new profit is $3.96. That is 60 cent, right? So from 8.92% to 10.51% for the day. Let me make a screenshot quickly for that. and save that again. And switch back to the platform. .51% for the day. Sharing that on my Discord, the new screenshot. As you can see now, we are going back up. I need to be careful because the move has already happened there, and I should get to 6,750 there before another drop maybe. What happened is that on the 5-minute you can see we have a smooth down trend up to this area here, and then it shot back up because there might be orders sitting right there when this finished here and moved up from this area all the way up here. So that's why it's happening now like this. And I don't want to risk too much there. So I'm just looking for 6,750 quickly. I hope you're still with me. Let me know in the comments in the live chat if you're still watching. From time to time, just send something. Okay, stream is excellent now. Okay, I hope. Actually, I take one more. And adjust the price to 35. Because I don't want to be too long in a trade. I rather, as I said, take 20 cent, 30 cent here and there, do that 10 times, and have like $3 quickly. On a small account, having 10% quickly is much better than staying on trades too long. I'm just trying to build my account quickly from a very small account to something like $300, you know, something like that. I had $300 before, but made some mistakes before, and now I'm trying to recover in front of you so that you can see, you know, sometimes you need to accept the loss when you are not performing well, and then need to be more consistent. The thing is, if you're not 100% energized, you know, you're sleepy or something is distracting you, you know, in personal life situation, doesn't matter what it is, trading will have, you will have a problem during the trading to make clear decisions. Right now I'm super relaxed. I'm more comfortable with doing these live trading sessions on YouTube, and just, you know, do my thing as if no one is watching me, right? But actually, it is definitely some challenge for me to do that for the first time. I screwed up on my first YouTube live stream and went from $220 equity all the way down to $50 or something, and now I'm starting fresh. And do the same thing actually on YouTube, but with more confidence. So also to see new subscribers, you know, 29 subscribers since I started the YouTube channel. I did not do anything in October. This YouTube is brand new since September, and now I'm more focused on doing these live trading sessions more regularly. I already have my target reached, so I take that off now. So the balance was $41.64 and is now $42.13. So profit for those two, I mean, I had like 24 plus 29 cent minus 4 cent in commission. The profit now is $4.45. If you go to the spreadsheet, $4.45. 4 cent is $4. How much was it? 45 more. That is 49 cent in profit for this round. 445. So we're going from 10.51% profit for the day up to 11.81%. And yesterday I did that and finished that in at 8 o'clock my time. Right now the time is 4 o'clock my time. It's the weekend. I'm actually almost you know, tempted to say goodbye and have a wonderful weekend, but I mean, if the market is moving like that, I definitely want to take advantage of that, but also keep in mind not to over trade too much. The goal is not to be trading the whole day, but actually feel more comfortable with the overall situation, right? So let's say I am going for another buy real quick. So my target is 6,790 right now, and the price I entered is 6,766. So that would be another 24 cent minus 2 cents, so 22 cent. In a matter of seconds, hopefully. And there you go. So you see how fast I make 22 cent. I mean, look, 25 cent for a bottle like this, right? This is like if I go to Lidl and give that back, I receive 25 cent, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 25 cent. So I'm not having to go out anywhere. I'm just clicking a button and made 22 cent in a matter of seconds, right? So you have to think a little bit You know, that 22 cent looks very cheap, but if I do that 10 times in a row, is $2 in a matter of minutes, right? So now I have $4.67, $4.67. 11.81% before, now we are at 12%, 12.39%. Let me make another screenshot. And going back to the platform for you. And as you can see now, I am actually going for the sell again. From 6733 to 6700. I might not get there, but I should. Because the overall trend is down, hopefully. Yeah, no, let's see. This 5 minute, the last 10 minutes was up. We reached that top there. 15 minute is down. Yeah, this is, I'm taking a risk, which is okay. Because these two 5 minute reach into an area of resistance, or there's also a supply zone probably in that area. So when this finish right there, this is why the reaction to the downside is happening right now. On the 1 minute you can see this area is the starting point of this down move, right? We have a down move down and reach back into that area. So I'm selling one more time right there. And sometimes it's not going to work as expected. So then you need to be a little bit relaxed and be patient and look what the market is really doing. It's like a game, you know, and playing against other players, you know, and you want to strategically position yourself in the market so that when the market is moving in a certain direction, you're not freaking out because it's going temporarily in a wrong direction, because you cannot be precise all the time in the premium chat. So if you're looking around this video on the replay, there is a link to my Discord. You can join that for free to connect with me, ask all the questions you want before considering the founding membership plan at $97 currently. The price will go up definitely next month to $197 for the year, as we are moving forward together. I have like 50 students waiting for the content. So right now I'm back with full energy, and full energy is also I mean, some days are easy, some days are not so easy. I still have to do a tax report over the weekend and start fresh next week with my coaching, hopefully. So that's the plan, at least. And getting into a habit of doing these live streams more consistently on YouTube, giving you the update on what is happening with my account. You can see I have two positions to the downside, but we're moving up into an area here, right? So now you see that candle was green, is now red. I'm on the 1 minute time frame, so you see how quickly everything is moving, and you have to react really fast and see what you're doing, right? So I'm not having the time to think too much other than to see, okay, this is an area I want to sell, this is an area I want to buy, you know, setting some targets there where I can be sure that I am picked up with the price that I'm looking for. You know, it's like going for a shopping tour with your girlfriend, you know, and finding the perfect shoes for the perfect price, right? I mean, some shoes are more expensive, and you think there's nothing there, and you pay the price just for the name of the shoe, right? And then I say, you know, I want a better price and stuff like that. You know, this is how I think is like you have to look and wait for the price instead of just taking trades. And you need to get a feeling for the market. You know, when you're just getting started, you might be overwhelmed with all what is happening there. But when I'm looking at the chart right now, and I'm doing that since 2014, you know, you see all kinds of pictures in there, right? So the market is moving in waves, you know, and I'm just waiting, you know, for price to come to certain areas, and then, you know, automatically trigger a buy or a sell and go for a little ride, you know, just to take out some of the money. And you can see, you know, that I'm still wait price to come to 6,715. We're right now at 6,740. So that is like a couple of points there. I'm not good at math in front of you. So, okay, now it's 37. Okay, error, stream is healthy, not healthy. What is going on with my internet? At least we're still streaming. That is the most important thing. Let me see, are you still watching here? Okay, I'm almost there. 29 is the price. I need 15, so it's like 15 points right now because it's like 30 now. 29, 27, 25. 25 is like 10 more points. This is how it works, you see. So that is another round from $42.35. Multiple close by, and we are now at $42.97. That was 48 plus 18 cent minus 4. We are now at $5.29 in the spreadsheet. Let's go for an update. $4.67. And I have a calculator somewhere because I'm not, you know, interested. Oh, there you go. I have the calculator actually there. So what is that? 529. 529 minus 467. That was like 62 cents. And we're going from 12.39% to 14.04% for the day. Insane. I mean, that is my best performing after so many years. I stopped in 2020, did some crypto stuff, and now back to build my own coaching business from scratch. I wanted to do that for many years. Crypto came in the way. I know a gentleman has commented on one of the video. I really appreciate your comment. $15,000 in crypto trading. Congratulations to have that kind of profit every week. The thing is, my audience I feel comfortable with is the newbie who just getting started, and I'm more comfortable with sharing my knowledge to someone that that has how can I say that properly? Is open-minded, because a lot of these traders, and I'm not saying you are one of those traders, obviously, but I'm saying that traders in general, they are not changing their trading style when something they think is working for them, right? I mean, if it works, great. If it doesn't work, and people are doing that still over and over again, the same mistakes. I know my mentor has taught a lot of students, some that needed a lot of time before joining a mentorship for $10,000, and I have a coaching program for $97 for the year. So you can imagine my audience is not those that are having $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 trading accounts. Okay, trying, but many gaps, very annoying. Yeah, I don't know if I have to restart my router. I might do that. But as you can see, I have already 14% for the day. We can just stop the recording here and maybe jump on a Zoom or something later. I mean, I still have to make a tax report, so not really want to overdo it today. Just sharing some stuff that I have in my mind, but not sure if that makes sense. Okay, I go for one more trade. And see if I can get back into that area there before it might pop up again. But if the market gives you pips like that, I better take it. But I also want to stop trading for the day, actually. But as I said, my target is like $45 or $50 for the day. And if I can get $50 in a couple of minutes, I rather take that and have a fresh mind next week. Let me actually see how it looks like on YouTube right now. And the quality, I mean, I'm on a mobile phone. There is a gear that you can click for advanced settings and make that HD quality. At least it should be HD quality. Okay, I'm just testing on my end. Is that one here, and I'm looking at my mobile phone if there is movement on the screen or not. And I don't see my one on this. Okay, it's still spinning. Really annoying. I can understand. Okay, make number 2 there and see if it's spinning again. Okay, yes. Crazy. This is not fun to watch for sure. At least not live. Okay, number 3. Let me see if that works. But my phone is still spinning. And the market seems to stop right before my price target. Let me look if I can do anything here on the settings. The 5 minutes already green, so this might be a turning point, and I don't want to risk too much now. Okay, it's pushing it again to the downside. So I'm setting the price as 66.70 because I was not getting down to 50, and hope that this will be picked up before this actually goes higher, because as I said, on the 5 minute this might be a turning point and they might go even up to 6750. That's why I set the price to 66.70. Okay, I set the price as 6695 based on because I am in the market since 674, no, what is that, 45, and the break-even price is 6715. So 6695 is actually a good target for me to be in profit for the sequence, because I really don't want to risk too much when this can go up. So I'm just speculating for this to go one last time to this area here before this actually goes and break higher. I better watch this on the 1 minute. Actually, I actually do that 67. because I don't want to miss my exit. You see that it tagged a little bit the 6700 area, and I really hope that this is not breaking higher now, but actually try to pick that up one last time. I might have just missed my exit. Okay, we have a price of 6710 almost, 10 points to my target. $6,705.02. Damn. $02 again. And there you go. Ooh, that was tricky. Okay, let's see. 42.97, $5.29. And now we are at $5.79. Going for the spreadsheet now. 579 minus 529. So that was 50 cents, and this took a little bit longer. 579. So 14.04% is now at 15.37% for the day. So almost there for 45. So how long are we recording actually? This is now 1 hour 27 minutes. I might just close this recording and see how the quality is. And we can connect on Discord. So if you are watching the replay, leave me a comment below the video. Hopefully the recording is much better. And leave me a comment what you think so far about the trading style and what you see so far. And on the video itself, there is a Discord link that you can join the server for free. and the premium offer is $97 currently for the year. Next month I will probably have that at $197 for the year. And next week we are starting with group coaching calls again, and talk about the strategy more. Yeah, I would like to see you on the server, on the Discord, and connect with you. Have a great rest of the weekend. Let's see how the recording is, and see you on the next live stream. I have one scheduled for next week already in advance, but I might also do some more spontaneously, depending on how everything is going. Every video is in the playlist for live trading now. We'll have more organization on the YouTube. Just having a fresh YouTube channel since September, and happy to have you as a subscriber. 29 subscribers is an awesome number so far. Hope to see 40 subscribers in the next few days, few weeks. We will see how that goes. But you help me out with the free content. Okay. So right now we are really in a sideways. It's consolidation phase where we go up and down in a specific area. So I'm not really tempted now to pick a trade, because this is very close. This is one here and one area right there. This was a little bit nicer from here all the way down to this area, but this is too close together. We need to break either to the downside more or above this area to see if there is a direction, a clear direction, So as you can see on the 5 minute, we're just in this mess here. Okay, so it's not really a clear picture for me to pick a trade again. The last one I managed for 50 cents. Took me quite a long time, to be honest. I mean, I'm tempted to short this again. However, I think, how much was that? 15% for the day. I better take that and start fresh next week. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below the video how you like 15% today and 12% yesterday. That was awesome. So you can see here the account history is $5.79 for the day. Balance is back almost as $44. It's a very small account. I know most of the full-time professional traders maybe laugh about a $40 account, but I started in 2014 with 20 euro. In 7 days I doubled. No, I'm not doubled actually. I have 150 euros in 7 days. Was pretty cool. And another 150 euros in another 7 days. That was like going from 20 to 300 in a matter of 14 days was pretty amazing. But I didn't know anything about trading at that moment. I was just like doing, stuff like, oh, I buy here and I sell there. But I did not have a clear understanding about how everything is working. And then the very next day, I was down like 50%, and I was like, oh, I need a mentor, to help me understand how trading is working. And that is why my mission is actually to teach the newbie how to get started with forex. And my trading style is a little bit different than what you see maybe out there. I hope at least that it is fun to watch, and maybe I can see you as a student on my Discord server, and you can help me create the coaching content together with 50 other students. Waiting patiently since December 2022. to have some sort of coaching. I mean, I started in May to do some stuff, and that was too confusing. So right now I'm trying to simplify stuff more and make short videos in the membership site starting next week with group coaching calls, collecting questions from students on what is uh, burning on their mind, for getting started with this. So right now, as you can see, I mean, I'm just trading without thinking too much. I'm just clicking the buttons because I see what's going on there. And I will explain everything in detail in my premium chat on Discord, and also having video content in Kajabi using a Kajabi membership platform for now. So the link from Stripe will have you a $97 offer for the year. If you prefer to pay in crypto, just join the Discord, connect with me there, and I send you a wallet if you want to join the premium. But again, this is optional. If you just want to watch me trade live and have the feeling about how I'm doing this, is also fine. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel. I welcome 29 subscribers so far, and would like to see you also being a subscriber, and leave me a comment on the video what you like so far, what can be better. Definitely the internet connection could be better. I understand it was very annoying today. At least the microphone hopefully worked this time, so that the recording has a good quality, hopefully. We will watch that in a bit. For now, I wish you a wonderful weekend. Thank you for staying with me for this session. It was pretty awesome to see how much 15 point, let's actually move back to the spreadsheet. So 15.37% for the day, not bad for a couple of hours of trading. Okay, I cannot pay my bills with a $37 account, but imagine this. If you make 10% a day, and I actually make a little bit more at the moment, every 10 days is 100%. So what I have done, or what I have started with, let's say I have like $34. In 10 days, I would have, what is that, $68? Let's say I'm $70 in 10 days. I would have $140 in 10 days. I would have $280 in another 10 days. So within a month, I go from 34 to almost $300, with not too much risk. As you can see, I'm in and out quickly, and I'm just doing that in front of you without too much stress, right? So this is more a matter of having fun, going to the platform quickly and see, I'm just on the 1 minute. You have these waves, and it was a nice way to trade today, because you have like areas where I can just press sell and buy, and not have too much stress. And then you have days where, let's say, let's say you are seeing a move like here to there, and you're trying to buy at the top, and then the market is actually moving all the way down to this area. It has happened yesterday where maybe I was buying there and price was going down before it actually goes back all the way up to the same area. So I was buying again at that area, right? Move price on the next candle into this area, but I was like at the top. So instead of setting the target higher, I was dollar cost averaging and buying at this area and made my money from here in this area and just take a small loss around here before this actually moved down again, right? So it was not going all the way where I wanted it to go, but I still managed to get out in profit and just not think about, oh my God, there was a small loss on the trade. So right now, today, it was going sideways for quite some time. This is a 15-minute time frame, so every little candle here is 15 minutes long before actually the breakout was going to the upside. And even during that uptrend, you see you have that big movement to the upside, and you have like 1, 2, 3 candles to the downside before a small up move again, and then your down move. It's ugly. So it is not easy to manage those trades as a newbie when you don't understand what's happening here. As you can see, this is forming trend because you see you have a high, you have a lower high, you make lower highs all the time. So when you draw a trend line from the top like this, you always go a little bit more down, right? So the downtrend is forming. However, if you zoom in on the 5-minute, even that is going down. You have moments where you just make a retracement to the upside. And I'm not trading on the 5-minute either, right? I'm just going on the 1-minute. And whenever this finish the move to the downside, like here, and you have like this kind of movement, I have opportunities to all this money, but you have to make the decision really fast, right? You cannot wait too long. So this is why you need to have an understanding about the market. And right now you can see we have very, very tight range. It's not nice to trade in that area. So I not touch this anymore, because the most of the money we have made in the movement from here down here and to the upside. And I think we also were a little bit from here down to this area going up. So we have made all the money around in this area, and now I'm not touching this one because this is ugly, right? And I don't want to spend too long time on trading when you already have 15% for the day. Okay, so I hope that helps, and you enjoyed today's live trading session. See you next week. Wish you a very nice weekend, and speak to you soon. Leave me a comment below, and I will look and see you on the Discord hopefully as well. Bye for now.